So, unboxing a Belkin AC/DC universal power adapter. Yeah, I'm not going to get all seductive with the box and stuff. I actually unboxed it earlier, but this is everything that you get in the box. The box shows you everything that you get in the box and all the specs and all that. Reasonable, pretty clever little device, and only 30 quid. 31.33 from PC World. Instruction manual, adapters for various different laptops, Samsung, Acer, that's the Asus one. So this is the device itself. Twisted already. So this end goes in your laptop, and there you go, there's the device. Two options: you can either plug it into your car cigarette lighter, in which case there's this little guy, and you plug that end in the side and then plug that into your cigarette lighter. The other option is using one of these figure of eight jobbies. Plug that in the end, plug it into the mains. Blue light comes on. That blue light also works when charging from the car. There's also a little USB on the side for charging your MP3 player. Yeah, works for me. Sweet. My first ever unboxing. 2 minutes.